What if I told you that this one yoga pose, this one asana can completely detoxify your body with multiple physical benefits? Today's asana is Matsyendra Asana. Matsyendra Asana has a very important role to play in yoga because not only does it give great physical benefits but also helps the union of the body and soul. It has a very significant role and important role. If practiced every day, it brings in a lot of calmness and balance in your life. Welcome to my series of learning one asana in detail, how to do it, its benefits, the posture corrections, alignments, and who should not be doing the asana. Namaste. My name is Sandhya Bichandani and I welcome you to Sanyog. I'm a yoga and fitness coach and I help people change their lives mentally, physically, and emotionally. Before I get started on doing this and teaching you this beautiful asana, I would like you to like, subscribe, and share my channel, and do put in your comments. I would love to listen to them. Before getting started on learning this asana, I would like to tell you a word of caution that people who have ulcers or any kind of abdominal surgery or any kind of spinal surgery should not be doing this asana. Let's understand what benefits are you going to feel after doing these asanas. The first thing that is going to happen is you're going to get rid of your constipation because the abdominal massage is superb in this asana. It's the best spinal twist asana. So when you twist your back, the first thing is that your spinal cord gets twisted and the abdominal organs, they start to get a lovely massage, relieving you of gastric problems and constipation, helping you with menstrual pain, and also it recharges the reproductive organs. It's extremely good for pelvic health as well. As for your spine, it gets kind of aligned, and also the nervous health around the nerves around the spine gets stimulated. The lower lumbar back pain gets relieved. The chest, because you're twisting, opens up. It helps you with asthma, bronchitis, and helps you to breathe better. And once you're turning your neck, it helps you with cervical pain as well. It's a great twist, and you have to use the stretch of your hands, your pelvic, your leg muscles, your calves. So it's a complete stretch to your extremities as well. This asana is extremely good if you have diabetes because it stimulates the pancreas and balances the blood sugar. Also, the hormonal level of your body, because the kidneys get stimulated, the production of the juices and also the hormones that are released are balanced, and the entire endocrine system gets stimulated. So, what more can we ask? Because your digestion is good, your nervous health is good, your circulation is better, the stretch is beautiful, the chest opens up, the mind and body and soul are connected. The must do asana. Do this and practice this every day in your all the other practices that you do, and also feel the difference in your body stretch. So let's learn how to do this asana correctly, align your body, and reap the benefits. We start by sitting in Dandasana. Fold your right leg and take it over your left knee. Keep your spine straight. Fold your left leg and bring it to your right buttock. Always keep your spine straight while you're doing this. Now inhale. Once you inhale, take and twist your spine and bring your stomach out, and take your left hand, hold your right ankle, inhale here, exhale behind, turn and twist your shoulder, look behind and stay here for 6 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and release the posture. Let's learn to do it again. While you inhale, twist to the right, fold your left hand to the right ankle. Now if you see that the organs here, these are getting compressed, but there's a nice stretch on the other side. So you get both the benefits of a stretch and contraction of the organs. While you inhale here, exhale behind and hold the breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale out. For people who are not so flexible and find it very difficult to hold their ankles, so whilst you stretch, you can keep your hand here for the start and slowly build up the stretch. Let me show you an easier way of doing this for beginners. And once you are into the practice, you can develop the pose. So just fold your right leg, bring it over your left knee, and you can be in this position without turning this foot here. Inhale, hold your right ankle, inhale and exhale behind. So this could be a beginner's pose if your body is very stiff. Inhale and come back. Let's do it on the other side. Sit in Dandasana. Fold your left knee. Take it over your right knee. Fold your right leg. Bring it next to the left buttock. Straighten your back. Inhale. Take your stomach out. Take a nice twist. Hold your ankle. Inhale. Exhale behind and feel the compression and the stretch. And be there for 6 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale out. Practice this asana every day. You can start with the beginner style and progress to the advanced style and reap its benefits. I promise you, if you practice this asana every day, you will see multiple benefits of this asana. Constipation, digestion, menstrual pain will be elevated. You'll also feel the nervous health improving, the circulation better, your body stretch feeling good. Diabetes, oh my God, it will just go out of the window. Do this asana every day. See for yourself, feel it. And once you reap the benefits of this asana, put your comments in the comment box and tell me how you felt. Thank you for listening. Namaste.